Hi friends, it's Julia. Welcome to 30 Days of Sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life Series 11, and today is day number 7. Today's sketch is by Ruth Lewenden, and it is a single photo sketch, and that's what I have. I have one photo. It looks like there's a grid paper and maybe a round title, a grid paper in the background and a round title, and then some circle embellishments, some scallop border, and some just random scraps of paper to act as almost a shelf in front of the photo. So I've pulled in a lot of scraps. So we're at a lazy river pool. I'm wearing an orange and red and brown bathing suit. My grandson is wearing like blue and turquoise and green. The water is fairly it's blue, but then the surrounding, the buildings and everything are browns and reds, and there's some darker greens and such. So because I have the conglomeration of colors in the photo, I figured I would add the conglomeration of colors in the paper. So I have pulled in a ton of scraps. That is watercolor paper with some just watercolor splattered on it. I have this red paper that I've been plugging along using. I have this scrap of paper. I don't know, I don't have any idea what I got on the edge of it, but I have fussy cut the scallop out on that end. It's a Felicity Jane paper, so I've fussy cut that on the edge. And then for my background, I thought I would use this in place of a grid and just have this gingham in the background. The back side is hearts. Super cute, but yeah, this is the side that I'm going to use. I have pulled in this die set to cut out this tag, and it's a pocket page card, and it was a thank you card that I got from Felicity Jane when I placed an order, and I felt like it would work great. I pulled in some tags, some epoxy stickers. I pulled in enamel dots. I pulled in dewdrops, I pulled in puffy hearts, more enamel dots, and these are faceted acrylic pieces. I have pulled in chipboard stickers. I have pulled in puffy stickers. I have pulled in these stickers. There's 2 arrows remaining on that sticker sheet. I have pulled in these phrase stickers. These, lots of pink paisley in this one. And then I have these 3 stickers here. So I'm going to try and get those used, and then the other ones used from that Jot sticker pack. We'll see if I can get it done, and we'll go from there. I don't know if I'm going to use everything that I have pulled out, but I'm going to try to, because instead of like a circle title around, I may do like an embellishment cluster that goes around the photos instead of using, I don't know. I have all these plans in my head. Whether they correlate to language, it's not working out terrifically for me. So let me pause you, show you a close-up of the sketch, and then I will be back to show you what I have created. Be right back. Okay friends, I am done with layout number 7. Let me show you what I did not use. I had these 2 sets of enamel dots and this of dewdrops that I did not use, and this set of stickers here I did not use. Yeah, and that's it as far as the didn't use things. Tool time, I used this die set. I used foam adhesive or foam sheets to lift my different pieces that I wanted lifted as opposed to my foam tape, because I have so much of this, and I was cleaning out a drawer and found, or a cabinet, and found it, and I think I need to use more of it, so I pulled that in for tool time. And then this is my Fisker stamp. It is just a scallop border. I use that. Paper wise, what I did use, all of this. These are pieces that were cut down from the background paper, different bits of scraps that I had pulled in. Yeah, everything got used. This was the cutoff from the checker paper from this paper. This was the cutoff from there. So all of that will go back into my stash. I used this set of enamel dots. I used these faceted acrylic pieces. And I used a small little circle embellishment from this piece. And y'all, I've had this in my stash since probably 2014 or 2015. Forever. Forever. I used, let's see, I used a couple of puffy stickers. I used a couple of chipboard stickers. I used a couple of chipboard flair. I used stickers off of each of these 2 pages. And I used a phrase sticker from here. I finished off 2 sets. I had 2 puffy stickers left on here, puffy hearts that I finished off, and then the 2 arrows that I had left on here, I finished those out. I used those. So there's 2 more empties with this kit. The tags I used, and this is the alphabet that I used to create my title, and here is the layout that I created. I need to add the year on here. I was just looking at it going, I didn't put the date on here. My title is pretty simple, Merritt and Me. It's my grandson and I are here. And you can see there's my ticket, there's a puffy sticker, there's a chipboard sticker, there's another random sticker and another sticker and more stickers and a puffy heart and chipboard and a puffy and acrylic pieces, more stuff. I used a large tag to cut out this shape. I used a smaller tag to cut out this. I used the border punch to punch this border out. More stickers. These are pieces that I had previously stamped out from different stamp sets, and I just had them included with the kit, and so they got added in here. There's that piece, that scallop cut that I put in back behind here. So the original layout had a circle, title, and journaling. And so I kind of had a idea of doing a circle border of embellishments. But then I thought, as I was putting it down, that wouldn't work because of how I'm choosing to do the layout. So I thought I would just build clusters. So 1, 2, 3 are my clusters. Yeah, so that's what I did there. And they still follow that circle pattern around the page. Is it exactly like the sketch? No. But is it how I want it to be? Yes. And it's another one done for the album, and I like how this one turned out because I got to use bits and pieces, finish off pieces, and use things that have been in my stash that have been there for a while. So that is always a positive note for me, and I love when I can do that. I did pull in a piece of pattern paper that is one of those ones that has a white back to it. Whatever the pattern on the front was did not appeal to me, so I flip it over and use the back side as my base, and that's what I have around here. The front side of that was a Christmas paper. I wasn't going to use that for anything, so I flipped it over, used the back side to border my layout, cut this down a little bit, and kind of offset it some. And I like how that looks. Yeah, I'm very pleased with how this layout turned out. I will have close-ups at the end of the video, so if you're interested, make sure to stick around for that. If you have not already and you would like to see my layouts on a daily basis, make sure hit that subscription button and my layouts will show up in your feed on a day-to-day basis so that you can get a good look. If you want further notification of layouts when I post them, hit that notification bell and YouTube will notify you when I have put up a new video. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you being here. I would love it if you would flip me a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next one. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.